Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we are diving deep into HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of April, 2025, our system has categorized HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.87. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has not met our expectations, resulting in a decline of 5.54%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 2.77% since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further declines. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 34% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 54% to a decrease of 3%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of approximately 46%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 14% to as much as 223% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price estimate ranging from $37.78 to $106.85. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, "Is HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock still a buy after falling 5.54% on Wednesday?" The HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A stock price fell by 5.54% on the last day, Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, from $35.04 to $33.10. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.71%, with a day low at $31.76 and a day high of $33.89. The price has been volatile over this period, yet there has been a 12.36% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day alongside the stock, which is considered a good sign as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 115 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $72.98, while the lowest price was $11.20. Currently, the price is 54.65%, or $39.88, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. HIMS and HERS Health stock is experiencing significant action today, soaring over 24% following the announcement of a partnership with Novo Nordisk. This collaboration will enable HIMS to offer Wegovy, one of Novo Nordisk's weight loss medications, expanding its offerings in the growing telehealth market focused on obesity care. This move not only enhances HIMS' product lineup, but also positions it favorably within a lucrative sector, likely generating increased consumer interest in sales. In the short term, this partnership could drive further stock appreciation as analysts and investors recognize the potential revenue from weight loss solutions, particularly as consumer demand in this area continues to rise. Additionally, since HIMS projected $725 million in sales from weight loss products, even before the introduction of Wegovy, this strategic integration could lead to an uptick in overall performance. However, while short-term momentum looks promising, the long-term impacts will depend on how well HIMS can leverage this partnership amid increasing competition, particularly from established players like Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly. Analysts have highlighted the importance of maintaining a robust portfolio in personalized healthcare solutions, suggesting that while current movements are positive, sustainable growth will require ongoing innovation and market adaptation. As trading fluctuates in response to market conditions, including tariffs and consumer sentiment, HIMS' ability to navigate these external pressures will be critical in determining its stock trajectory moving forward. In conclusion, investor enthusiasm around this partnership could enhance HIMS' reputation and market share in the telehealth space. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, Citigroup again assigned HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, Needham rated HIMS with a buy grade while also suggesting a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Canaccord Genuity provided HIMS with a buy grade and recommended a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, Citigroup gave HIMS a sell grade and suggested a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During any downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $29.27 and $30.32. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 22, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 30.57%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume should ideally align with price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 69 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $31.05 and $29.49. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A, finds support just beneath today's level at $31.05. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $29.49 and $27.23. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.13 between its high and low points, which is a change of 6.71%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 14 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $34.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A encounters its first support level at $31.05. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Baird Melissa, who bought and sold 77,431 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 29.846. Overall, insiders acquired 825,404 shares and divested 1,536,050 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $31.83, reflecting a decline of 3.84%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 6 days ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A shows several positive signals. However, we do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the present level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning one should either maintain their current position or accumulate more while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our previous analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate candidate. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of May, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Class A will open lower by 183 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $32.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.